Hey guys, at IKEA, how's it going? I feel like a vlogger. Yeah, so it calls in 10 minutes. 10. 2 of these. Hey!
Haircut shortcut.
Oh wow, they have chicken tendies. It literally closes like right now. Why do we have to get a car? Wow, that is so convenient. Yeah, get a slice of chocolate cake.
We'll try one. I'll give it a shot, yeah.
I think they're mad at us.
So we got a bunch of food here to try. We're gonna try the salmon, mac and cheese. What did they say this was?
It's with broccoli, onion, and cheese.
That'll be interesting. And then what was the other thing we got? We got $4 chicken tenders.
Yeah, my $4
French
chicken
fries,
tenders.
mashed potatoes, Swedish meatballs, and that, and then chocolate cake as well. And then Gabby wanted to try the chips. So
Swedish chips, not Swedish
Gabby,
fish.
go ahead and go first if you'd like.
Meatball, meatball.
They're okay.
10 out of 10.
Really?
Amazing.
They're
Those are
good?
amazing.
I'm not gonna lie, it was also a hollandaise sauce put on top of it. So let's give that a whirl. Okay, not gonna lie, this is really good. I didn't know what to expect from IKEA food court,
TBH.
but the salmon is really good. Final thing is the macaroni and cheese. Again, trying to go in with one bite each. The macaroni's like good comfort food. I think the macaroni, my favorite thing out of all three of them has to be this, I think. It's kind of that cheese potato mix of things. It was really good. Overall, I'm actually really impressed by the food court here. I didn't know what to expect. I wouldn't, let's put it this way, I wouldn't come here and eat a meal like by choice, but if I was here and shopping and I needed to grab something to eat, I would definitely stop by, yeah. Yeah.
That's 10 out of 10 right there. That's really good. I'm gonna eat that again.
Yeah.
It tastes like
The
any other
aftertaste
chicken
is
cheese.
really bad,
Yeah.
by the way. BT dubs, the aftertaste is bad.
The mashed potatoes taste horrible. I'm just putting that out there.
I guess I will too.
We all gotta try the cake.
That's actually solid chocolate cake.
That is, solid.
I think they took it from Portillo's. They mined it at Portillo's and then they just resold it.
Honestly, they could have. It's pretty good though. I mean, it's chocolatey, of course, but it's rich. It's really moist. It's good, actually. I would eat this again, definitely.
I'm not a huge fan of chocolate cake, but that was really good. Like, I like the mixture of the filling where it's like softer and then it's very nice moisture. I've watched too many cooking shows.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it would. For some of the stuff that I've heard about here, I actually enjoyed the food enough to where I would come in and grab a bite to eat if I was walking around the store.
Nice.
If I was walking around the store. For HSETV, this has been Will Cantwell, Zach Vance, Eric Bedrosian, Gabby Hames, and with Evan Miller.